With a look at bone. It's been a while since we took a look at this thing. The last move we talked about was this one here. All right, we had our trend line, and then we ended up breaking trend here after 5 waves up in here. This on the hourly chart, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up. All right, then this thing ended up coming down. Looks like it did. You got waves all through here. Honestly, you could count 5 out, 4, 5. Or you can count them all through here, quite honestly. There's definitely 5 waves down in this thing. All right, now what do we do? We had a fake out coming up here, and now we are back at that trend line again. Let's go on a 4-hour. All right, you can see here, and if we zoom out the overall picture on this thing that we've been talking about for months and months, the objective is to break out of this top, and that move will be monstrous. All right, we have been in this wedge for, let's take a look here. We got sorry about that, there it is, date range. It started right there. Let's run it over here. Wow, 553 days. 553 days. This is on a weekly. Can you imagine? The longer you are in a trend, the bigger the breakout. All right, so we've been talking about it. I slacked off a little bit on doing bone videos because it got down to the bottom down here and just started messing around. Look at the volume down here on the bottom coming in on the weekly. This big spike is what is this? It's 37 million. 30, and then the next one is 23.5 million. All right, so you got some serious buyers coming in here, pushing this price up. Okay, that's what we need. We need a big push on buyers. And on the weekly, look at that wick up through there. I don't know if that's legit or not. This is on Mexi. The other chart I have from KuCoin is the same thing. These wicks sometimes. Speaking of a level 3 membership, we have 196 members now. Thank you to all the members. Thank you a million times. You guys make this channel possible. You get 22 videos, 9 hours worth of videos to teach you how to do all this stuff, guys. Use a Fibonacci. Look for price targets for your tokens for the bull run. You got to have targets. You just can't guess where it's going to go. All right, you need to have targets for it. The Fibonacci will help you do that. The videos teach you all this stuff: how to put trend lines in, how to use the RSI, how to set your trading view up like mine, everything. 9 hours of videos plus a link to our Discord where we trade over there every day. There's someone in there 24 hours a day. There's people in there from different countries. So come join us. $14.99, a level 3 membership, and see if you like it. You definitely get your money's worth. Everything you can learn is going to make you a better trader for this bull run. This is a huge opportunity. It only comes around once every 4 years. So if you're interested, please check it out. All right, it's definitely worth your look. All right, let's take a look here on the 1 hour chart. Bitcoin looks like it's going to break resistance, quite honestly. So this could end up being a pretty big week. Let me show you that real quick right here. Right here, this thing, that's the target for Bitcoin. If it busts through there, if it breaks 70,000 bucks, which it looks like it's going to, then it's probably heading up here, right up in the mid 70s, and possibly up to 81.8. That's the 1618 Fibonacci level. All right, sorry about that. We're having some major wind here today, but could be a bottom. We'll see. It has to break through 70,000 and have a daily closing candle above that to convince me that any correction would be over here. If not, if it hits this 618 and gets rejected, this is a big ABC pattern. It doesn't look like it though. Look at the 8-hour RSI, the 12-hour. They're all just starting up, and the daily. Look at that. Now your weekly is bearish right there, but that can turn right back up. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin could make a serious run. So what would that mean? Obviously, it would make a run for everything. Look how close bone is to breaking out here. All right, let's take a look at the RSIs. The 4-hour first. We'll go with the higher time frames here. Obviously, 4-hour heading up 67 and 43. Beautiful. 8-hour same thing, 47 and 34. Super low down here. It's only at a 51. The 12-hour heading up 31 and a 26. The daily at the bottom, beautiful. Bone looks great. You know, the weekly 77.82. The weekly's a little bearish, but that can turn right back up with. And the monthly is bullish, a 20 and a 10. This looks like a very serious. This could be a very serious run here. All right. Now this big overall picture. All right. I don't know whether to use that wick. I don't know if it's legit or not. I really don't. You know, we could have a target here for this thing that has to break through. We're going to go without the wick. We're going to say it hit here and got rejected. All right. I think bone is heading right up here, and this is going to tell a lot. Right up in this level, right here. Right here. Okay, I'm going to put an alarm on that. Can I? No, I've got to put it on a trend line here. Let's do it like this. I have an alert. So, you know, if it, which I think bone is going to do, it's going to break resistance here. If it gets up to this $1.18, $1.24, if it has a closing candle above $1.25, look out. Bone is heading, is going to rip. This big resistance, when it breaks, you don't want to miss this move. It could be huge. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please consider coming over and joining up. $14.99. You know, it's cheap. I put 9 hours of videos in there for you. The big cherry on top is the Discord. You don't want to miss that. We're killing the trades over there. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day, guys.